Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change weights on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just go and download the Strava application if you already have it downloaded. If you don't have it downloaded into your phone. Of course, if you have it downloaded, this will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open the application. And of course, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, just log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you'll have three options to create your account. You will have the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you. And of course, once you created your account, you'll find, or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course here you'll be able to start or create or upload a new post, photo, manual activities, which is all called segments here in the Strava application, or you can just go and edit some of the recent one or even delete them if you want. But what we said is we would like to change weights on the Strava application. So of course we can just go here to record. And first of all, if you want to insert or import your weights into this application, you would like to link some sensors. As you can see here, I have no sensors, so I would like to go back and go back again, then go to this U at the bottom right corner, then click at the settings option at the top right corner, then click at link other devices. So of course, if you have like a balance, like a electronic one that can be connected to a Strava application from here, make sure to connect it and enter, and of course just go and stand on it, and of course they will calculate your weight and you will be able to insert it or change it into the application. Of course, if you didn't find your brand of your balance here, you can just go and see more devices if you want. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.